Have you ever wished you could open up your fridge and just pull out a giant jar of cold brew coffee? Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your own cold brew coffee at home. You'll need a cold brew coffee filter bag, a large mason jar, I like to use an 8-cup one, and you'll need some coffee grounds. Add about 1 cup of coffee grounds to your cold brew coffee filter bag. I put a link below to where you can find them on Amazon. I'm trying to reduce the amount of caffeine I take in, and I like my cold brew in the afternoon, so I'm using half decaf and half regular coffee grounds. Tighten up the bag, place it in the jar, and add some fresh, cold filtered water. Now you're going to put this in the fridge for about 24 hours. After that, it'll be ready to enjoy. You will want to take out that filter bag so that it doesn't continue getting stronger. And if you'd like a little bit of flavor in your coffee, you can throw in a couple cinnamon sticks.
I'm sorry.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope you enjoy your cold brew coffee as much as I do. If we haven't met yet, my name's Sara and I'm the mom next door. I'm passionate about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learn with all of you. Subscribe to join the village.